This Mercedes-Benz T2 airport fire tender was a very popular Majorette model. There are lots of those around and I think it's time to give this one a custom makeover. Hi everyone, I'm Johan and this is Belgian Diecast Restorations, your place for Diecast factory resets and makeovers.
Welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations.
The Mercedes-Benz T2 airport fire tender, or Pompier Aéroport as it was called in its native language, was introduced in 1979. It was only issued in red with a white plastic interior and rear end. The color of the foam cannon would vary, ranging from black to grey and even blue. Although the Mercedes-Benz T2 was widely used as a fire engine in Germany, I could not find any evidence that it was also used as an airport fire tender. Nevertheless, the model was a good seller from Majorette and ran for 6 years until it was discontinued in 1985. The model is based on the first generation of the Mercedes-Benz T2 van, which was introduced in 1967 as a successor to the aging L319. The T2 was assembled in Düsseldorf, Germany and came in a wide range of builds, ranging from light trucks and delivery vans to minibuses. The first generation had a couple of cosmetic changes and was laid to rest in 1986 to be replaced by the second generation T2. This model is just play-worn enough for me not to consider it display-worthy. A lot of the paint is gone, the window is scratched up and the cannon is missing one of its front pieces or whatever these are called. I chose this one also because the blue window is so pale it is almost clear, which would help making this model more realistic. So let's get the tools and give this model a makeover. This Mercedes-Benz Aéroport fire tender was a good seller for Majorette and is easy to find in play-worn condition. However, the foam cannon is often missing. This model is in rough shape but rather complete, apart from the broken part on the foam cannon. And although the T2 was probably never used as an airport fire tender, it's a good candidate to make it even more realistic. When it comes to airport fire engines, you can't go wrong with traffic yellow. I sprayed the platform, the dials and the shutters metallic as well as the foam cannon, and the extra detailing adds a little more realism to this model. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, as this helps my videos to climb up in YouTube's algorithm. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again next time.
Belgian Diecast Restorations.